Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I am Balaji from Diligence Certification. Today we are going to talk about ISO certification 14001 for environmental management. If your organization want to reduce environmental impact, meet legal requirements and want to build a strong green reputation, then this video is for you.
What is ISO 14001? ISO is an internationally recognized standard that guides organizations in building an effective environmental management systems. It helps businesses reduce pollution, follow environmental laws, and work towards sustainability. Whether you are a small unit, a manufacturer, a hospital, or a multinational company, ISO 14001 sets a clear structure to improve your environmental performance.
What is an EMS? An EMS is a structural and documented system that helps an organization identify, control, continuously reduce its environmental impact. Think of it as a health check of your business, tracking water use, waste emission, chemicals, and ensuring everything stays compliant and safe. With ISO 14001, EMS becomes measurable, scalable, and globally accepted. Why ISO 14001 matters? ISO 14001 is more than just a certificate. It's a smart investment. It helps you follow environmental laws and avoid penalties, reduce waste, energy use, and operating cost, build a strong eco-friendly brand image, access global clients and green markets, improve safety and reduce environmental risk. For many industries using wastewater, chemical, air emitting processes, ISO 14001 become essential. Requires documents. To qualify for ISO 14001, your organization must maintain the key documents like environmental policy, scope of EMS, aspect, impact register, legal compliance list, environmental objective plans, operational control procedure, emergency response plan, internal audit and review record. The certification process includes gap analysis, developing your environmental management system, documentation and training, implementing the environmental management system, internal audit and management review, certification audit, stage 1 and stage 2. Once approved, your ISO is valid for 3 years with annual audit. At Diligence Certification, we will guide and help you to obtaining your required compliance. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more inside videos. Thanks for watching.